So here if you go, this is the volume which we create, a snapshot which we created. This was yesterday one, right?
Yeah.
So whatever we have into this server in this volume till yesterday we can get. Okay, if I did something extra after tomorrow, it will not be there. So again, I have to come and again need to go to these volumes,
Yeah.
select that volume, action, and create a snapshot, right?
Yeah.
Then server name, backup as on 2 days 24. Okay. Now, the problem with this is like if you have 100 of servers, it will become very difficult, right? Just to manage that and every day you come and you create the backup, right? So that
Yeah.
is one thing. Second thing is how you can restore. So this is the backup part. Now how to restore? You need to go to snapshot. Okay.
Yeah.
And this is your restored backup. Okay. Now, if you see something goes wrong, like suppose your server is not running now. Okay.
Yeah.
If your server is not running now, it may be like it is very less chances, but yes, it can happen. Okay. So suppose
Yeah.
this stop working. Okay. And this is not working. So what we can do, we can take backup. Okay, we can restore. So what we can do to restore this server? To restore this server, what we will do? This means that this storage got corrupt. Okay. Suppose
Yeah.
this is the root volume and this got corrupt. Okay. So let
Yeah.
me put it like as for example, I'll put it as corrupted volume. Okay. I
Yes.
am assuming that this got
Corrupted.
corrupted and I
Mm.
save it. Okay.
Yeah.
So now what I can do, I can detach it. So to detach because it is my primary instance, so I need to stop the server. Okay. So let me just first stop the server because this is my OS volume where OS got
Yeah.
installed, right? So that's why
Yeah.
I need to stop. Otherwise, it is not. Then I will go to my once it got stopped.
Yeah. I stopped.
Okay, this got stopped now. So what I'll
Hmm.
do, I go to storage, go to this volume. Because this is corrupted volume, I will detach this. Okay, I will remove
Do it.
this.
Do it again. Okay. You. Oh, I didn't
Action,
see. Yes.
action, and detach volume.
Ah. Okay. 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 Okay.
Now, if you see, this is right now in use showing. If I refresh it, it should be available. See, now it is not attached to any server. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Now, what I need to do actually, because this server is this server is not having any because this server is the instance got removed now. So let me
Hmm.
just see how many instances storage is there. So if I see go to storage, I can see only one instance is there and OS is not there. OS disk is not there, right? So if
Okay.
I start this server, it will not start. What it is saying, invalid value for this instance does not have a volume attached to root. Okay, on this one. So that's
Okay.
dev select. So
We
this is
we
obvious
have
because
to
that volume. Say again.
restore it, right?
Correct. So this is my disk. This is my root disk. It is
Yeah.
showing here. Okay. And this got corrupted. Okay. Somehow it is not working. So what I will do, I will go to snapshot. I will check this. This is yesterday's snapshot. This was working
Y-
fine. So what I'll do,
Yeah.
I will select
Stop
it.
it. Stop it.
No, it is a snapshot. It is in the
Okay.
snapshot, right?
The snapshot.
Yeah. I go there and I will create volume. I can create volume from this snapshot. Okay.
Okay.
That means server disk from this snapshot. Or I can
Okay.
create image
Yeah.
also.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Or
Okay.
I can copy to another region as well. Okay. Suppose somebody asks that I want duplicate server in different region, I can copy the volume. Okay. Copy the
Okay.
snapshot. I can specify like in which region I want to copy. So copy is also
Yeah.
possible. Same I can done with AMI as well. Okay. AMI also can be copied. Copy AMI. Okay. So if I
Yes.
need a duplicate server, AMI is the best option. First, I create a AMI, then I can copy it to some other region, and from there I can launch server.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So there is no direct option. Like if you go to instance, if you see, there is no option to copy the server to another region. Okay. So if
Yeah.
I have to duplicate server, I first need to create AMI. And from that AMI, I can either launch the server in this region itself, or I can copy that AMI to another region and launch server, right?
But how can you create an AMI when you already stopped the server?
No, no, I'm saying like if it is not stopped, if
Okay.
it was
Oh, okay.
there
Okay.
actually,
Okay.
so that time we
Okay.
can.
Okay. Yeah. Got
Now
you.
for the backup part, this is a stop, this is not working. And
Yeah.
what I did, I need to create a volume
A
from
snapshot. Yeah.
snapshot. So I select this, I click on action
Like.
and I create volume.
Mm-hmm.
Now I remember that my server was into US East 1A,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
that I remember. I click there and I can add one tag name and I can say restored volume. Okay.
Okay.
So that I can know like this is my restored volume. Now if you see, it should be, if I go to volume now, there should be one new volume should be created. Here you go. Restored volume. I can see one volume got restored, right? And it is available. Okay. And it is
Mm-hmm.
from that snapshot which was created yesterday, right?
So restoring volume is just creating another volume.
Yes, from a snapshot. You need to go to
Okay.
snapshot,
Mm,
go to action, create volume, and it will create another volume.
correct.
Okay. Then you go to a restored volume, which is got created now. And what I can
Yeah.
do, because this is corrupted one, this will not work, but this is the new one. Okay.
Yeah.
So this should work. So what I have to do, I need to attach this to
Attach
my
it.
server.
Yeah. Zero.
So go to action, attach volume, choose your server. So this is my Red Hat server. And what was my disk name? Slash dash slash SDA1,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
At the time when we worked, we copied this, right? So
Yeah.
now I will attach it and I can attach. Now it should show in use and it is attached with my Red Hat server.
So it's a new, brand new um backup now, right?
Correct.
With
From
with
my
with
backup,
nothing. Ah.
from my backup copy, from my
Yeah.
snapshot.
Okay. Okay.
Now if I go to instance and let me try to start this server instances, click on server. And now if I start my server, it should start actually. See, it got
Yeah.
started.
Yeah.
Why? Because now I have my working volume.
Mm-hmm.
So there are two disks I can see. And this is the new
Gotcha.
volume. Yeah,
Yeah.
this is the new volume. This I just recently attached.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
So similar way, you can restore any volume. You have to restore the disk. You can't store any single file. You have to restore from disk. Okay.
Okay.
So this is the way how we do the restore in server. However, server restoration is very less required, but sometimes it may be due to different reasons. So that's why we can. Now, the thing is that if I have 100 servers, it is very difficult. Like if I come daily and I create
Mm-hmm.
100 of servers, right?
Yeah.
So the better way would be like we can automate this process, the backup process. Okay. So for
Life
that we
cycle.
have life cycle manager. Okay. In life cycle, we have three options. Like one is EBS snapshot policy. One is EBS backed up AMI policy. So it will take backup of images. Okay.
Images.
It
Yeah.
will take backup of snapshots. Okay.
Snapshots. Mm-hmm.
And it will work on some
Cross
event
account.
based cross accounts to some other account and on
Mm-hmm.
some particular event. Okay. So that is not actually much required. What we need is snapshot or AMI. So I go to EBS snapshot policy. Okay. And let's create a new one. Okay. Now, if you talk about pricing, so anytime you can check the pricing, you just need to open that service and click on pricing. So now if you see there is no charge for lifecycle manager, but whatever the copy you are having, you will be charged.
Good. If you have a copy inside, you will be charged.
Correct. Suppose I created 10 copies, I have to charge, right? Now,
Yeah.
this is very simple process. I'll show you how. Choose snapshot policy, for example. Okay, click
Yeah.
on next.
Mm-hmm.
Now it will ask what you want to
Mm-hmm.
target. You want to target server or you want to target disk.
We want to
Okay,
target. Yeah.
server or you want to target disk.
Yeah.
Okay. So suppose you have 100 of servers in your environment and for out of that, for 10 servers, you don't know want backup. For 50 servers, you want backup like this. Okay. So what you
Mm-hmm.
can do, you can target instances or maybe you can target direct volume as well. Right. So for example, here I am targeting instances. Okay.
Because you want to
Now,
target everything, right? Instance will
right.
be everything. The entire server,
Instance
but
would be
volume will
everything,
be yes, but volume will be just the capacity.
just a capacity. Suppose a server have 5 disks. Okay.
Okay.
So
Okay.
if I am targeting instance, it will backup of five disks. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
But
Yes.
if I'm targeting volume, it will check the volume only. Okay. It will not target
Yes.
server. It will
Yes.
target volume.
Yeah. Yeah. Understood.
Yeah. So sometimes it happens that for saving the money, we don't take all the disk backup. Okay.
Okay.
We take only critical disk backup. Okay. So we can target volume as well. Right. So how we target actually? To target, we use tags. That's why I used to say tag is very important. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So now we can target via tags. Okay. So what I can do, I can put some target like you can target like if mobile number is this, backup this server. Okay. But
Mm-hmm.
this is actually irrelevant because this doesn't make very much sense, right? So what
Yeah.
you can do, you can put some tag like backup. Okay.
Yeah.
So now what we are saying, if there is a tag backup and if its value is yes. Okay. So two things. If there is a tag backup and if its value is yes,
Yeah.
then only take the backup. Okay. So this
Okay.
way we can do. Now to achieve this, what I need to do, if I am choosing volume, I need to go to volumes and I have to put one tag there in volumes, right? Like I have to create one tag there as backup. Okay. And I can put yes or no, whatever I want, right? If
Yes.
I put yes, it will take backup of this volume, right? Like this. So now, if you see this volume has backup value, yes. Okay, so it can take backup of this, but this will not because there is no tag.
There is no tag
Okay?
on it.
But even it will not take backup now because we are targeting instances. Okay, so
Okay.
tag will not come here. Tag will come into instances. Okay,
Yeah.
I have to go to instance. This is my server. I
Yeah.
put tag and I say manage tags and I add one tag there, backup, and put it value no.
No.
Okay. Do you think now it will take backup of the server or not?
It will.
No, because I have set up
Ah, no,
value
because
no,
you put no.
right?
Yes, 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 yes. You
What it
put
will
no.
check? It should will check backup value should be
Yes.
right.
Yes.
So,
Understood.
so this is how it works. So what I'll do right now, I'll change the value to
Yeah.
yes.
So
Okay.
it will do backup for that one.
Exactly. Right. Now what I have, what I can define further, the other things like, so I say daily backup. For example, I used to take daily backup, right?
Yeah.
Then it needs some permission, like AWS needs some permission.
Permission.
So what it required? It required one role. Okay.
Yeah.
What the role will do? It will give you the permission to take backup. So if you see, this is the policy which got applied automatically.
Yeah.
Okay. So it says create snapshots. So we are giving permission to create the snapshot.
Snapshot.
Okay. So we are
Okay.
giving AWS permission to create a snapshot. We are giving permission to delete a snapshot, right? Why? Because because they need to remove the old backup as well, right?
Mm-hmm.
So this way we are giving copy snapshot permission, so desired permission. So they make your work easy and they create the permission set by yourself, by their self. Okay. So you don't need to write this code. But this is very simple. Like you see the action, which action is allowed? Create and delete snapshots to whom? All resources, all servers. Okay, star means all.
Okay.
Effect allow, that means they are allowing the permission. Okay,
Yeah.
what the permission they have? Create tags. Okay,
Yeah.
so this is what like the permission they will ready, and then so they needs one role and it will create one role for you automatically. Or maybe you can choose some your role as well. Okay, but this used to be sufficient in this.
Okay.
Then whatever the tag got create, okay. So if you want to add some tag, one second. Assign customers tag to the policy to help you identify, organize, and secure your life. So each tag consists of a key. Ah, so this is your policy tag. If you want to add some tag here for policy, you can do that. Okay.
Okay.
Now policy status is enabled. If you want to disable, you can do that. Okay. If you want to set up something like exclude root volume, okay, you can do that. Or you can set up some data volume as well, right? If you want to specify something. Okay. So that is fine. I think we are good. I'll
Yeah.
click on next. Okay. Now schedule the backup name. So I'll say daily backup.
Did it.
No problem. And I set up the frequency daily. Okay. You can set up another value as well, like weekly,
Weekly, monthly,
monthly, daily.
yearly.
Correct. I say daily backup, daily every 24 hours.
Yeah. Makes
Okay.
sense.
You can set the schedule. Maybe like if server is very critical, you can set up less as well.
Every
But
3 hours.
normal,
Yeah. So if the server is good, you can set it every 24 hours. But if the server is critical and sometimes have problems or crash, you can do it every 3 or 4 hours.
Exactly. Yes, you got that. Right. This is
Right.
how it used to work. For normal cases, we are taking daily backup and we are
Yeah.
using it 20.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
You can define the time in UTC. Okay.
Okay.
So just
The
define the
backup,
time.
the starting time.
Correct.
Yeah. Okay.
This is like when it will start backup. Then you can ensure like how many copy you want to keep. Suppose you say 7 copy, that is also fine. Okay. So
Okay.
what it will do, it will take daily backup and every 7 day it will remove the old copy. So you will keep only 7 copies just to avoid the money. Otherwise, what will happen? Per month you will have 30 copies, right? And
Yeah.
every day you will have the copy. So it is better to remove the old copies, right? So we are saying anytime we take the backup, just keep 7 copies so that if something goes wrong, I have 7 day period, right?
Yeah.
You can do it by age wise as well. So you can specify number of days or week or month. Okay. So if you say week, sorry, if you say month and say 1 month here, so what it will do after 1 month, this will get deleted. Okay.
Okay.
Like this, you can do. I go with count and I keep it 7. But again, like all as per your wish, and you can add more schedule as well. Okay, one daily, one weekly, like this, as per the requirement, you can do that. Then if you want to add some more tags, okay, so you can add new tags here, add tags. But by default, it will add 2 tags. One is timestamp when the backup has been taken, and
Yeah.
one is instance ID, so that you can identify that which backup it is. You can click on copy tags from source. So whatever the tags would be there, it will get automatically copied. Okay.
Yeah.
Then if you want to cross region, you can do that as well. Like if you want to copy into some other region, you can do. Fast snapshot is chargeable service. Like if you want to do restore fast to your server,
Restore fast.
it will do, but it will again, they will take more money for that. So why we go for that? Until unless it is very necessary, right?
Yeah.
Cross account sharing, that means if you want to share into some other account, you
And
can
some
do,
other account. Yes.
right? So just need to click and this. So any doubt till now? I think is it clear?
Yeah. It's clear.
Okay. So the important point is you have to create a tag
Yeah.
which need to do.
And
Okay.
make it a positive tag.
Yes. And then need to enable it. That's it.
Yeah.
Then set up the schedule
Yeah.
and create the policy. Now if I come tomorrow, it will automatically take the backup. Okay. And I
Yeah.
will have one more copy of this.
But they will
So if
charge you
it's
after 1 day, right?
correct, they will add the money for this. So what I'll do, let me just delete these.
Delete now.
I have so many snapshots as of now. This is created by image, right?
Yeah.
So it will not get deleted automatically. What I need to do, it will not delete. What it is saying, currently it is used by AMI. Okay.
Yeah, I
So I
had
have
this
one
problem
AMI there.
yesterday.
You need to go over there,
Go
go to
back
action,
to, yeah.
deregister AMI.
Oh, I did not register. That's the problem. I had to delete it.
Correct. If you deregister, that means you are deleting the AMI. Okay.
Okay.
And then because those volumes are attached to this AMI, so you will be able to delete.
You
Right?
won't be able, yeah.
Okay. So this is how the backup and restore used to work. Any question? Any doubt?
For now, I don't think so, but I'll follow the video again and do it myself.
Correct. That would be the best way actually. Okay. I am just putting cloud edge location here. Okay. If you see, I have edge location here. So
Mhm.
I'm just removing it from there on the top. When we will do cloud front, we'll cover that edge location.
Okay. I talked to one of my friend about DevOps. So when he's ready, I'll let you know.
When?
You can. I talked to my friend about you that you can
Mhm.
teach him DevOps.
Mhm, mhm, mhm.
So yeah. So when he's ready, I'll let you know.
Yeah, please let me know. Then we'll
Yeah.
schedule
So
that.
yeah, you can arrange and schedule his on class. Yeah.
Sure. So if you see, so I'm marking it green because we are comfortable with reason and availability,
Yeah.
right?
Mm-hmm.
Let me mark it as green. Now, do you know how to increase volume size and how to create a snapshot or backup
Yeah. We did that yesterday. Yeah.
and how to backup or restore of a server and life cycle management policy?
Yes. This I will practice myself again, but it's okay.
Correct.
I'll follow the
Correct.
video and practice myself again.
Correct. Do that. It is very easy, but once you understand the concept, then only it is good. If you
Yeah.
don't
Okay.
understood the concept, ask me, I will help.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, what this is a snapshot. Okay. Now,
Yeah.
this is one for
AMI.
taking backup of your AMIs.
Yeah.
Okay. So I say EBS backed up AMI policy. Next. Now again, it will target whom it will target backup tags. Okay.
Yeah.
Which target, which tag, which value is yes for
Yes.
backup tag. Okay.
Yeah.
So I'll put it like this. Policy daily AMI backup
Backup.
policy and role it will give the automatic permission.
True.
So I'll
Yeah.
go with the default role
Yeah.
enable.
Vulnerable.
Then it says
Uh,
when I will create the AMI, do you want that it reboot or not? You remember when we create AMI, it asks no reboot or reboot,
yeah.
right? Same option. So it is asking that should I reboot the original server or not? I say no. Or I say no, yes, no.
Yeah.
Okay. Click on next. There's something, some error over there. Backup, yes. Okay. Ah, so I haven't added that. Okay. So I need to click on add.
Yeah. 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 Sorry.
Then again, the same schedule type you can do,
yes.
right?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
And then it will add that. That's it. It what it will do, it will create AMI for you. Now, rather than a snapshot, it will create AMI for you. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. And if you want to set up some period like after 10 days or maybe like after 15 AMI, it got delete the old AMI, you can set up that. If you want to copy into some other reason, you can do that.
Oh, to
Right?
another. Yeah.
Same options. So I'll create it review and I can do that, right? So I say seven
Seven.
copies.
Yeah. 7 copies. Review.
Then if you want to add some other schedule, you can do
Yeah. You
that
can
and I'll
add
go
here.
to create.
Create policy.
Now, rather than a snapshot, it will create AMI for you. Okay.
Yeah. So we created snapshot and we created AMI.
Correct. Okay. So that is done. Yeah. So this cover actually our backup part and this cover actually EBS part. Okay.
Yeah.
So what we have learned, what are the different volume types? Okay, general purpose, that's
Yeah.
uh how to take backup, how to restore from backup, how to automate backup. Okay, these things will be covered by a ABS section. Okay, do the practice and let me know if you have any challenge. Now, apart from this, there are few things like if you go here, security group. So you are comfortable with security group now, right? You know about how to use security group,
Yeah, but
Elastic
you,
IP. Mhm.
yes, you created a default security group last time, right? Remember, my server was not launching. You created a default security group. That security group was the problem, right? On the first day of our class.
Security group, what's the problem? No. If you launch any server, if you launch any server, it will work.
Okay, on the first day, anyway, it's okay. It's not a question. I'm just thinking of to myself
Mhm.
because the first day, um,
Ah, you are saying that security group was the issue. Correct.
yeah.
Correct.
You
Because
just
if you haven't allowed the security group the proper code, it will not help you. So we have to ensure like we have open SSH code.
yeah. Okay, that's fine. That's fine.
Elastic IP is the permanent IP, right? Yesterday which we
Yes,
talked.
yeah,
And what I will do, I just want to because you know that sometime it happens that because I'm not using this elastic IP, right?
yeah.
So it is better that I release this. So what I
Dissociate,
do,
yeah,
I
disassociate.
disassociate it and I release. But if I required a permanent IP address, I will use elastic IP. Okay.
Okay, makes sense.
Key pair, you know, like you can create a key pair. You can create the key pair here itself. Okay.
Yeah, yeah,
Suppose you need a key pair, just go to create key pair, whatever the name you want to give, the key which you want to create, PAM key or
yeah,
PPK, okay, and create. It will give you the option to download the file. Okay, I downloaded it, done. Okay, but
but I
I
always
can't
like to use
upload
my.
it.
You can upload it. Okay,
I can only download. Okay,
okay.
suppose so this is the PAM key which have my user which have my
Yeah,
password and all such information, right?
yeah,
Now suppose this key got lost. Okay, there is a key, there is a code written there. Okay, encrypted password here.
yeah.
Okay, suppose this file got deleted. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
suppose this file got deleted. What will happen? I will not be able to connect my server.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and if I want again to download this file, there is no option. If you go to action, you can only import, you can't export. Okay,
Okay,
so this is important point. Like you cannot download the pair file again. That means .pam, right?
yes,
If lost, right? So this
yeah,
is just important thing, important note.
yeah.
That's why I used to say keep the file safe
Yes,
with you.
yes, yeah. Mm. Well, when it comes to key, pen, I already have one that I like to reuse. I mean, I can create another key pair, but I always
Correct.
like to use the existing one. I don't want to be
Correct.
creating stuff and be keeping them, and maybe I might forget. Amazon might tax me.
Correct. That is the benefit actually, right? That
Yeah,
if you do it, you can save your time actually. Yeah.
yeah. Let me see. So I'm comfortable with EC2 now. I should say I'm comfortable with EC2. I want to ask you something.
Yeah.
I want to see if this works with you. I want you to just create an instance and let's launch it. Create
Mm-hmm.
an instance. Create
Okay.
an instance. Yeah.
Do you
Or
want
I
me to
can do,
create an instance?
yeah, just create any instance. I want to ask you something that the previous teacher shown us, but it's not working for me. It's your own way that is working for me. I don't know why.
Okay. Yeah. Tell me.
Create any instance. Just create. It could be from Amazon or Red
Amazon
Hat.
landings?
Yes, simple one. Yeah, yeah, no problem. Keep it. SSH. No, from wait. Yes. Sorry. From HTTP. I thought you added HTTPS.
Okay. Should I add HTTP?
Yes. Okay. Let's go ahead. Yeah. Keep it simple like that. Yes. Let's launch. Okay. Let's open it. And I want us to connect it. You might need to refresh. And I don't know why his own way is not working for me. It's your own way. Or maybe I'm not doing something well.
Oh, last time there was issue with the internet gateway. I remember that now. Yeah. Internet gateway was deleted that time. Right?
The internet gateway. Okay. Okay. Click the test and let's connect it. It's already running. Yeah.
It is right now initializing. So okay, let's try to connect.
Yeah,
I'm not
let's try to
seeing.
connect. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. So what he did, can you give me the command? Let me just key in because
No, I haven't done anything.
no,
You
I know,
just
I know, I know. I want to take the control.
oh, you want to take control. Oh,
Yes,
that's fine.
so you can see what I'm doing.
Okay. Should I stop my screen, right?
No need. You just have to give me control of the
Okay.
mouse. Yeah.
Sorry. Okay. Give control. Did you got that?
No, I can
It will
you.
come.
Okay, but open your the launching page, the command page.
Hmm. I tried to give on the remote to you. Can you just request? There is the request.
I have the request here, but it's not highlighted. If you cannot, then I can just create an instance.
Are you getting them?
No,
There is one option to give control, and I
yeah,
am trying.
wait.
Please come.
I don't know why it's happening like this. It's okay, you can stop sharing, let me share. I can just,
Yeah, that would be easy maybe.
yes, that'll be better. Okay. Um, what do we have here? Okay. Okay. Let's say we have an instance. RP server. Um, Linux. Let's just keep it simple. Key as HSTS. Creating group. Okay. Sometimes I like to select two. I don't like to be keeping groups too, but it's okay.
Yeah, you can choose anyone.
Yeah,
Select
yeah.
security group. That
Let
is
me
also
just keep it
fine.
to 10 GB. Okay.
Okay.
Then I will launch. Okay. I have it here. This is our saver. I connect. I really don't understand what he was doing, but
Mhm.
I just think that it works for him. But maybe there is something that he did that we did not see. Okay, let me connect. Okay. I want you to see the command that I'll key in. Maybe you can reflect. Okay. Let's say I go to sudo first, right, to take the root command. Okay. This is
See,
what he
you are
key.
able to connect. You are able to connect.
Yeah, I want you to see something.
Mhm.
He said call http total slash if I don't know if you know this, if you are familiar with this command. Are you
Curl.
familiar?
Okay. Curl.
Yeah.
Okay.
So if I take enter, I can see
Mhm.
this is my public IP. So if I copy
Correct.
it, if I copy
Mhm.
my IP,
Mhm.
if I copy my IP, go to a new page. He said we should type http to dot slash and then paste it and enter. It's gonna connect, but it will not connect. It will not connect. I don't know why. But if I go here and take my yum update, sorry, everything will start working. If I want to follow your own step, everything will start working. This is your own step. Everything is working for me. But that was
Okay.
his own command. The call um yum. Yeah. You see, your own way is going easy for me. Service
My way is easy. I like to teach the
httpd
things in easy
start.
way.
But that is life. Start. So service httpd status. That is active. So if I go back to this page now, I refresh, it will come.
Right.
So I don't understand his own page. That is why I wanted to ask you, have you ever seen this command before? Call
Yes, yes, yes. If you see,
H
this command is nothing. This command will give the whatever the return
the
is coming
public
from this
IP.
URL. Correct. Put the public IP
uh,
rather than put the public IP.
Here, the public IP here.
Correct.
Um 3.88.165.60. You want me to take the enter now and see?
Yes. So this is
Mm,
like This is your web page content, right? What
Yeah,
the return you are getting in browser.
yeah, yeah,
So see, this is the same content.
yeah,
See from starting. This is kind of HTML content. Okay. It
yeah.
is coming into HTML language. If you see, if you are the website administrator, if you go to your test page now, you can see
Mhm.
this content as well.
This one, let me see first.
Yeah. If you are website administrator,
Ah,
are you
okay,
see?
okay, okay.
Yeah.
No, 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 no. I didn't. L CTL. Was it that before? System CTL. Just a second.
Mhm.
Just a second. Mm, yes, enable HTTP. Yes, and CD HTML. This is of this page index. Let me see something now. Nothing happened. There was a problem.
Where you are? Type PWD,
PWD. PWD.
present working directory.
Yeah.
You are into root, right? You
Yes.
should be into HTML folder. So go to cd/where www HTML.
Yeah, I did that before. This is it.
No, PWD was your current. Oh, okay. So
Yeah.
you see what the error message. No such file or directory. Okay.
Mm.
You forget to put slash before where.
Oh, so it was, but I've been doing that. It works. So CD
Mhm.
var.
Space. Give a
Oh,
space. Linux is very, you need to, you can see the some Linux tutorial, basic
yeah.
tutorial, it will help.
HTML.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now do PWD. Now do PWD. You can note down this command. PWD is present working directory. Now you are into HTML, right?
Okay. Yes. 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 Yes.
Now
So,
go up arrow, and you can copy this command. Yeah,
yeah.
perfect.
So let me see now. Yes, it came now. So yeah. So
Congratulations.
so
Good
my
job.
problem. Thank you so much. So my problem is why this command was that this is command. It's not working for me.
This is like if config.co is not a command. Okay. If just open this website, http if config.co in browser.
Yeah.
Is this a website? Yes. 5,000 में बच्चों से बात हो गई क्या कह रहे
It's
हैं
not. It's not a website.
मतलब लेने भी जाएंगे और लेके भी आएंगे और जाने के लिए चाय लेते जा सकते कौन है बर्तन कौन मान रहा है yeah if you open this website are you able to see anything
Nothing. It's an IP.
yeah that's
So
what
it
I'm
was.
saying
So
this
it
is
was
my
just to give me an IP.
exactly open
Wow.
this type if config.co in browser
This is it. if config.co.
No, just in browser, but without curl. Open it into browser. In URL, the above URL. Okay, not here. In the URL, yes.
Oh,
See, so whatever is written there, you will get there. Okay.
mm, yeah.
So if you do curl if config.co, you will get this result. Just try now.
You want me to open just this if config.co here?
In your terminal. Yeah. Type curl and then this.
Uh, if config.
Actually, your friend might be shown you to get your IP address. Okay. You need to place HTTP there. Curl command is basically nothing. It will give the output of your website.
Right, slash if
Colon
con
slash colon slash slash. Oh,
config.
before that you need to put colon as well.
Yeah, config slash co.
No,
Right,
no, this is wrong.
okay. So call
HTTP, just check the website, you will find it. Double click on the top.
if
Double click on the top.
if config.co.
Yeah, and double click on the top, on the top one. Yeah, double click there. You're not getting, yeah, just remember, just copy this one. This is the exact URL. Okay.
This one
So
has
curl
S
will give you,
secured.
yeah,
That one has S. This it means there's an S here. Am I supposed to put an
correct,
S?
correct. Remove all the things and then paste it.
Oh, remove all these things. Oh, I didn't copy it. Didn't go. GT.
मम्मी आजा 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 मुझे बताना अभी आ रही मम्मी डांटती है वॉशरूम गई वॉशरूम आ रही है मम्मी वॉशरूम गई है see it will not come because it is secure website it is SSL encrypted website right
Yeah,
so
yeah,
that's why you are not getting. Don't get confused with this okay why
yeah.
why they ask because it will give you public IP and if you give your public IP address you will see the result whatever it is there. So rather than better, it is like curl will show the output of your server, right? So
Yeah.
when you hosted your Apache web server, it given you the output of that, right? I shown you.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
That's- Now you
Okay.
hosted your website, right? Now you hosted your website on this. Can you put the public IP address of your server again? Do curl again with your public IP address of EC2 server. It would be clear, more clear. So
Yeah.
can you do curl for this IP address?
For this one,
Yeah.
go back to the instance.
Go to terminal. Yes, correct.
Terminal. Yeah.
Curl. Now you will understand. Yeah. Put the IP address.
Yeah.
Enter. This is what you hosted on your server, right?
Mm-hmm. So first what?
That's
It's
why you
giving
will
me
get it.
back what we had on my server. Yeah.
Exactly. Yes.
It
This
makes
is
sense.
giving you back whatever is running on server. Earlier there was Apache web server was running, so it gave that output. Then you created that index.html, then it is giving that out, right?
Okay. Yeah. Okay. That is what I wanted to ask you.
No issue.
I will delete
So I
this.
think tomorrow, today we have done, understood these things, and tomorrow, like now we have to do actually this thing, load balancer. Okay.
Yeah.
Load balancer and auto scaling. This is a very good concept actually, and this is huge concept. So it will take one or two classes.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay.
So I don't want to do it now because
I
it will
know, I
make you
know, I know.
confused.
There are some topics that you don't need to start half and want to finish it in another class. You need to start it full, and then wherever
Correct.
you end, you can. I understand.
Correct.
I
Now
understand.
our EC2 and EBS. Okay.
Yeah.
EC2 and EBS got complete actually, right?
Hmm. Yeah.
Do the practice. Try to do the practice, whatever we have learned till now. Okay.
Yeah.
And yeah.
I will. I as soon as I get the video, the yesterday and today's video, I will
Hmm.
practice again. Yeah.
Let me try to fix it that as well.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
now you have the notes. Let me just try to fix that. So,
But
so
I
let
don't
me
have the
stop
notes
the
for
recording
yesterday,
for
so
today one.
I know today on will not come now. It will be later.
No, no, it's okay. Just give me 1 minute.